Hi everyone, so I'm at section 14 now. We're going to visit a burger store. You can see this truck behind me. It's Jackson's Burger actually. This burger store has been around for about 50 years. They serve the simple burgers, homemade burgers, because this husband and wife, they make their patties themselves. Okay, so let's go. So this is the food truck. Alright, this is Jackson's Burger. Okay, you can see the cars here. They will stop right at the door just to fill order. Jackson's Burger, right? This food truck is located right at this main road here. Okay, this main road, section 14 here, it will lead you to those factories area. Okay, so now I'm here at around 12 something lunchtime. A lot of people actually park the car beside like this and just order. Okay, so this is actually the main road. Very busy. This is where you come from PJ, the Toyota side, the Toyota service center. That 32 square, this is the road that you come down. So if you come from this road, it's on your left. Okay, this you can't miss the food truck lah. It's on your left. As you head to the industrial area there. It's on your left. You can't miss it. So here we are at the food truck. Selling for 5 decades, homemade patties. And customize the burger according to what you want, with egg or without egg. I ordered a chicken burger with egg. And also the sausage. This is the price here. Very reasonable. Chicken burger is 5.50, beef is 5.50, fish 7.50, and hot dog is 4 ringgit. So they don't provide much space for you to stay and eat. But if you want to enjoy, like me, I'm going to sit down here and just eat the burger. Don't want to dirty my car also. Quite a messy eater myself. Let me start with the hot dog. This is the hot dog. Okay. This is the standard one. Hot dog with some cucumber sauce. Standard hot dog. So now I'm having the hot dog. Okay. You can customize your hot dog, your burgers any way you want. Less sauce, more sauce, you know. Or add cheese, add egg. I choose to have the plain one and it's good. The sauce is not overwhelming. Hot dog well cooked and it's hot now. Now I'm going for the burger. This is what I came for. Let's look at the burger. So they did actually put some tissues for you if you want to eat here. This is the burger. Okay. Hot bread, still hot. Got egg, a patty. This is a chicken patty. Just very simple burger with some sauce, some onion, cucumber, and sauce. That's it. Patty is homemade. So let's get it up. And you can have it. Look at this. Beautiful. So this is the burger. I'm having the chicken burger with egg inside. So egg, I add another 50 cents. Homemade patty, tasty, tender. Very well balanced with the sauce. It's just simple burger, very simple, nothing fancy about it. But the taste, you can't get more authentic than this. I'm having this for lunch. It's easy to see, right, how they can be selling for 50 years. 50 years of 5 decades. Just simple, affordable goodness. So, so if you're around the corner, come to Jackson's Burgers. They open only on 12 o'clock onwards, okay? Look out for the food truck. I will leave the location in the description down below. Alright? See you next video. Bye bye.